Let me write some information down, Eric, and then I will talk with. I'm sorry, not at this time. I want to try back later. Would you like me to take a message? I would recommend either the Silver Dollar or Stockman's or.
Hi, Polly. I was wondering who to speak to about booking live music there.
I don't know. What? No, he'll be in here this afternoon sometime.
Gotcha. Okay, I'll call back later then. Thank you so much.
It's gonna be Adriana. Do you have a pen handy?
Yeah, go ahead.
Please leave your name and your number, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Hi, I was wondering if there's a manager available to speak to.
No, they're not in today.
Gotcha. Do you guys have live music at all?
Every once in a while we do. June 8th, we have a live band coming in
You already scheduled? Dang. Okay, what about the...
Yeah, on the 7th we have them coming in, so.
What about so then the 8th? You have the 8th?
I'll have to find out, yeah.
So I'm a one-man band. I play with a loop pedal, so I record myself live.
You have a great day.
You too.
Bye now.
I was wondering if there's a manager available to speak to.
No excuse. She come probably in 2 hours. Live music?
Yes.
Yeah, we do live music once in a while. What do you guys have? What do you guys got?
I'm just passing through the area next weekend.
So are you wanting to do like you're trying to do a show? Like tickets and
Not even that. Like, ideally, I would get paid to perform there. I'm just trying to find a place where I could do my thing and just have friends. So I would bring people, so people would be able to come and watch me play. Because I just haven't been back to play in Michigan all year, so people would want to come see me play.
So we don't typically do like a lot of music. Send me like, are you planning on doing tickets? Like how many people are you trying to bring? Like that kind of a thing. And I'll be able to kind of coordinate and give you some more information based on what you're looking to do.
Okay, sounds good, man. Thank you so much for your help.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Have a good one. And I am playing next week in Salt Lake on Thursday and Saturday, and I'm just trying to see if I can fill up the Friday.
Okay, well, let me take down your information. You said your name was Eric. What was your last name?
Last name is Ripper, like Jack the Ripper, R-I-P-P-E-R.
Oh, I like that. Might as well fill up your whole schedule, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying. It's a Friday night. Ideally, I'd be playing somewhere,
Yeah, all right. Well, I'll see the owner of the bar tomorrow. He's supposed to be in, so I will talk to him about it.
May I ask who's calling and what you're calling in regard to?
Sure, my name is Eric. I'm wondering if you guys have live music and how I can book myself there.
We don't have live music as of right now. I can take down your information and, have to give you a call.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Are you a local musician?
So I'm originally from Nashville, and I'm on my way there. I'm actually calling from Omaha right now.
I will tell you a little bit, like, what I know with the music. Normally, we'd be booked up this time of year, and normally Riley is on. I'll definitely tell Mitch that you called, and see if he's got any other updates for you.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it.
Yep, no worries.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for holding. This is Rebecca. How may I assist you?
Hi, I was wondering how you guys go about booking live music there.
What we do is we go through a company, actually, and they do all of our booking for us.
Okay, and then how would I get involved in that company, and how would I make that happen?
Let me get you your information.
Hi there. I was wondering if you guys have live music and how I go about booking myself.
So you can send your information and like what's your availability like for the summer over to our email. It's just gunbarreltavern@gmail.com.
Yep, I've done that before.
Okay. Yeah, so the owner, he's been out of town, so as soon as he gets back in town sometime this week, he'll start going through there and then start hiring for the summer.
Gotcha. Okay, I think I sent an email like 2 months ago as well.
Okay, and what was the name of it?
And I just sent one right now. And then I'll be there June 11th to the end of June. One-man band. I play with the loop pedal from Nashville. Plenty of covers. Just trying to fill up my schedule.
How does it look for you?
Looks good.
Good. Can't grab you anything else as of right
I
now?
don't think so. Thanks. Welcome back to Uke-Boarding. This time we're in Omaha. Welcome back to Uke-Boarding. This time we're in Omaha. Welcome back to Uke-Boarding. This time we're in Omaha. Whoa, Amber. Welcome back to. It's cooler than my Uke-board. Or my longboard. Welcome back to Uke-Boarding. This time we're in Omaha. I'm actually above the Missouri Ripper. Welcome back to Uke-Boarding. This time we're in Omaha. I'm actually above the Missouri River. Nebraska, Iowa. Whoa, amber is the color of your energy. Whoa, shade of gold is playing at you. You lit your fire. Actually, so 311 was the only Omaha option. There's no other people that are from here. Ah, jeez. Hi, I was wondering if there's a manager available to speak to.
Yeah, 1 second, please.
Sure.
Please continue to hold. Your call is important to us.
The manager's not here right now, but you can email Jason's Beachside Grill at...
You ripping it up on the guitar or what?
Constantly.
Right on. Yeah, I will let her know your email's in there. I got your name written down. And
then I'll be there June.
Second week of June?
Yeah, so I'll be there. The dates are June 11th to the end of June, basically. Then I gotta have.
Eric Ripper, and then just like music, and then social media, like YouTube?
Yeah, I mean, just look up Eric Ripper. There's a lawyer in Australia with the same name, but that's not me.
Yeah, I'm sure we'll be able to figure out who's who.
Yeah. Hi, I was wondering if there's a manager available to speak to.
Who is speaking?
Wondering if there was a manager available to speak to.
I know, I asked you a question, though. Who's speaking?
My name is Eric.
Eric?
Yep.
Are you...
So I'm a musician trying to speak to whoever does the booking for music.
Perfect. That's all I wanted to hear. Thank you. Give me half a second. Let me see if she's available.
Sounds good. Fucking prick.
She's unfortunately out of sorts at the moment, but I was looking through the email. She did get your email.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll see when she's got time. She'll probably email you back.
Okay.
Austin. Look, I got up here. Come on, you should get up here.
Rock climbing. I guess you're like rappelling down. You done that before?